Hello, everyone. I'm Professor Vigyan. Have you ever wondered why we spend roughly a third of our lives asleep? It seems like such a huge chunk of our existence. Yet the fundamental reasons for sleep have long been one of biology's greatest mysteries. For decades, scientists have proposed various theories: sleep for memory consolidation, for energy conservation, for waste removal from the brain. All valid, but perhaps not the complete picture. We know sleep is crucial. Deprive ourselves of it, and our cognitive functions falter, our mood sours, and our physical health suffers. But why this profound need? Exciting new research is now pointing towards an unexpected, yet fundamental, answer. It might all come down to our cells' powerhouses, the mitochondria. These tiny organelles are responsible for generating almost all the energy our cells need to function. Recent studies suggest that during wakefulness, our mitochondria work incredibly hard, accumulating damage and becoming less efficient, with signs of mitochondrial fragmentation after sleep deprivation. Sleep, it appears, is a dedicated time for mitochondrial repair and restoration, with morphological changes reversible after recovery sleep. Think of it. While we sleep, our cells are busy, not just resting, but actively mending their energy factories. This mitochondrial reset is vital for optimal cellular function, for brain health, and for overall well-being. So, next time you drift off, remember, you're not just resting, you're giving your body's power plants a much-needed tune-up. Sleep well, and keep those mitochondria happy. Research paper's detail is given in the description of video. And if you found this insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.